Good morning. It is Wednesday. I just took a quick peek at the market. It looks like we've had some pretty good movement. We have since I got out of here yesterday. Got my coffee this morning. I'm a little down because it keeps raining every day. And I have been wanting to swim and it just has not been allowing. So today we got some big news coming up over the next 2 days. These G20 meetings, they've kind of affected things in the past, but they're high impact news. And that's the one thing that I kind of try and keep in focus. I'm not great at keeping news in focus, not going to lie to you. I don't look at news in my daily life. I find it to be a distraction and usually unnecessary information that just causes you to panic. Now, knowing when some big stuff comes out, listening to the hubbub, that's kind of not a bad thing. Knowing when some real regular, like elections, things like that, FOMC meetings, those type of things. Now, those used to affect it way, way more than it did. Back in those days, we were looking at the Russell and it would, just huge bars that would just swing from end to end for the rest of the day. Now you get about 5-10 minutes of big quick bars and then it fizzles out. So, knowing when these things, being a little on top of the game, being educated and aware, never a bad thing. So maybe at the beginning of each week, open up your news, look at it, know what you have ahead. Some days you may have some news that comes out at 7:30 in the morning. If you trade overnight, sure, that's something that you might want to pay attention to. I do not, so I couldn't care less if news comes out at 7 a.m. because, right now it's 9:30 and I'm just now looking at the market. So news that happened at 7 a.m. don't mean diddly squat to me. I'll use nice words. Okay. Well, let's get this party started, right? Let's get this party started quickly, right? So, as always, we're going to bring up that daily chart. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm not moving quite to the break even just yet, just one tick behind it. You know what? My rules are to go to the break even right now. Yeah. I went ahead and closed it out. It's just the area that it's at. It's very hard to trade directly into it. I had a little bit of space prior. I'm going to give it one quick shot. See if this reversal bar is really going to hold. I'm gonna take, I think I only got a tick in that one. Maybe 2. All right, I'm hitting close. Pull back hard here. Baby's still down. Oop. Finger over the close button. Hit the button. Oh, man. That's okay. It really looks like it's going to pop up and touch that 1 tick anyways. If not, we'll be prepared for what happens next. I think that there's just something trying to test me. The phone's ringing. I'm getting messages. I'm doing this one. Right behind this little reversal bar. There's all kinds of banging, clankety clanking going on outside. I have to breathe. So today just may be one of those days that my brain is completely out of whack. And I feel like I've got the double... I got reasons to exit, but I have not taken it. Because I took such small loss on my first loss, I'm going to allow myself one more trade. But that's it. After that, I may have a first losing day in a very long time. I don't know if it's me trying to force it, but I really still believe this is going down, y'all. Just believe my entries have been shite. I'm gonna hit an exit. What you gonna do? I guess that's all you can do, is your best. Today was not my best. So that would make 6 trades minus 5.5 points. So that is going to wrap it up. Minus 5.5 points. Wasn't my finest moment. You know, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not a robot. Some days my brain just isn't in it. And I was trying to force things to the downside. I only had 1.5 winning trades. So 1.5 and 4.5 losing, which takes me out of my losing realm. Now, a couple of them were only 3 ticks, so maybe that's where I justified it in my mind that I stayed in them. But moral of the story is listen to your rules and don't get in it when you're not feeling great. Today, I just let it go. So I'll review my videos, I'll learn from it, and I'll move on from there. That's all you can do, right, guys? All right, everybody. Well, as usual, I look forward to meeting you on the profitable side.